Smart Chips are part of Google Docs and are very helpful for inserting information like dates, lists, tables, or even media. It is very simple, and to start, you just type the @ symbol, and this opens a large drop-down menu. For instance, if you want to do a date, you can type today, tomorrow, yesterday, or even just write out the date. For lists, you can do a bulleted list, a numbered list, or even a checklist. For tables, also very simple. You can just insert a table on the fly. For media, you can add images, charts, or even drawings. And then you can also add headings, calendars, and other files. Thanks for watching.